TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Morning, folks. We have the Dow Industrials up 171. You get the Nasdaq up 48. S&Ps are up 18. Gold contract trading down $4.10 at $1,167 an ounce. We have silver down 4 cents at $15.53 an ounce. Light sweet crude off $1.24 at 58.23. Bonds, the 10-year down 27 ticks, 125.10. 30-year off 2 full points and 9 ticks at 148.18. Both of those, by the way, folks, are pulling back with lighter volume after wide price spread accelerated volume. On Monday, yesterday, you were pushing the swing, and you were also pushing that swing with volume. King Dollar's up 674 ticks, 96.33. That is pushing into the high swing point that was generated also on Monday. Euro down 78 at 110. The yen up 69 at 123.16. Volatility, volatility's here to stay, folks. It's a beautiful thing. Now, let's go take a look at the S&Ps. If we use the futures. We take a look at this S&P. This is what you have happening. Intraday out here, we've hit 2077. You're at 2072. Bottom line is that what you have, which is going to be really intriguing watching this whole market shakeout, is this. Your first sell down in this marketplace, folks, that got you down to the 67 price point has a high volume swing low. That's saying we're going to be right back down into those levels. If we take a look at the SPY, what you have with the SPY, it looks like we're setting up a B2C of an ABC structure on the way down. You're coming into a downdraft that was created out here with just monster volume. You know, you're talking 202 million shares. We'll see what kind of juice it can get on the way going into higher price. The NDX 100, we take a look at the 3Qs, same setup in the 3Qs. 3Qs had come down on Monday, and you came down with 50 million shares. Right now, we're at 3.9 on the way up. That correlation, I suspect, right now, where all the indices are right now is this. They're right at the gap down that was established on Monday. And I suspect that it's not going to make it through that gap. We'll know in the next hour, 2 hours, that's for sure. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Bottom line, gold continues to hold in there. They can't seem to get it lower. Bottom line is that we have no buyers also. Right now, gold is down 480. It's 1167. The low out here yesterday was 1165.40. The volume characteristic is this. We've done 51,000 contracts thus far. We did 148,000 yesterday. That 148,000 is going into 151. So the bottom line is that gold, in order to get croaked under the 1162.10, is going to need a lot more juice in order to get down and to stay down into those levels. Bonds. The ever-ready bond market is a trip in itself. There's no two ways about it. So what do we have with bonds out here today? You're back 27 ticks in the 10-year. You've done 716,000 contracts thus far. You're going into 1.5 million contracts. We had gone topside with 1.69 million contracts. That's saying that you basically, we're going to go back topside once again. King Dollar. What is King Dollar doing? King Dollar, this was the deviant move that was that happened on Monday when the Greek banks got shut. Bottom line, King Dollar had gone up to the price point of 96.69. You had volume on that move topside. It gave it up on price, pulled back. We're doing the test right now, and what's going to be intriguing here is that this test is actually getting done on lighter volume. We're 27,000 contracts. So that is saying, yeah, it wants to test it, but more than likely it's going to fail. And the deviance of that is that is saying that the dollar does want to get into lower price versus higher price. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking to you right back here tomorrow morning, 10 a.m.
If you're like me, you're always looking for ways to diversify your financial portfolio. Everbank's innovative market-safe CD can help you diversify while protecting your principal deposit. In fact, Everbank unveiled a new 5-year market-safe power metal CD, which combines the power of gold, silver, and copper. Metal prices are currently low, so this CD could really deliver. Consider the facts. You get exposure to 3 valuable metals in one index CD and have the potential to earn up to 45% capped upside payment at maturity if the metals increase in value across annual pricing dates. And should they decrease? No worries. There's zero risk to your principal here, as you still get 100% of it back. Keep in mind, returns are based on CD performance. No annual percentage yield or periodic rate of interest is paid on the CD. Intrigued yet? The July 9th funding deadline is quickly approaching, so hurry over to everbank.com/TFNN-CD for more information, including important product details and disclosures. Once again, that's everbank.com/TFNN-CD. Everbank is a member FDIC.